Google Trends stands as an invaluable resource for uncovering trending topics on a global scale, particularly within the realm of artificial intelligence, which presently experiences unprecedented interest. This tool proves instrumental in identifying lucrative opportunities for generating online income. In addition to Google Trends, YouTube emerges as a formidable platform where numerous AI-focused channels attract millions of viewers. These creators effectively leverage AI-generated content, demonstrating its capacity to captivate and engage a wide audience. The utilization of AI avatars within video production is on the rise, enabling content creators to develop captivating material with remarkable ease. This trend underscores the increasing dependence on artificial intelligence in the digital content creation landscape. Channels that incorporate AI avatars have recorded astounding view counts, with one instance exceeding 880,000 views in merely 1 month. Such metrics serve as testament to the effectiveness of this innovative approach. Beyond mere view counts, AI avatars contribute to enhancing the credibility of video content while simultaneously optimizing algorithmic performance for video recommendations. This synergy results in improved visibility and opens up potential monetization pathways. Moreover, the establishment of faceless YouTube channels featuring AI avatars mitigates the stress associated with negative commentary, allowing creators to maintain viewer engagement. This strategy empowers content producers to concentrate on their creative endeavors without the burden of personal exposure. For instance, the Angel Max channel reported earnings ranging between $11,200 and $2,400 last month from 200,000 views, clearly illustrating the financial viability of producing engaging content. Similarly, the How To in 5 Minutes channel achieved close to 300,000 views, resulting in an income bracket of approximately $1,800 to $33,600, thereby emphasizing the diverse profit potential inherent in this niche. Employing the Wondershare Verbo tool enables users to create talking AI avatar videos with remarkable ease, significantly simplifying the video production process. This efficiency is a definitive advantage for aspiring content creators. The selection of an appropriate AI avatar plays a pivotal role in the presentation of the video. A well-chosen avatar effectively sets the tone and engages the audience from the very outset. Furthermore, Verbo's AI script generator facilitates the rapid creation of engaging scripts. This tool aids users in designing customized content tailored to the specific type of video being produced. With a choice of over 460 AI voices, users can select diverse voiceovers that are appropriate for various content styles. This level of customization significantly enhances the relatability and engagement of the video. In addition, Verbo AI provides access to over 400 pre-designed templates suitable for a wide range of video types, including tutorials and product demonstrations. This versatility empowers users to produce professional quality videos with expedited efficiency. The feature enabling URL input for videos allows users to seamlessly paste links from e-commerce platforms like eBay and Amazon. This capability streamlines the process of crafting videos centered on specific products. Once the videos are generated, users can choose from multiple samples and customize them to their liking. This adaptability ensures that each video resonates with the user's brand identity and messaging. Through the use of Wondershare, individuals can produce AI-driven videos for their YouTube channels, effectively positioning themselves to commence generating online revenue. This presents an accessible avenue for income generation. Incorporating affiliate offers from platforms such as WarriorPlus.com can substantially enhance earnings by integrating these promotions within video descriptions or dedicating specific content to these endorsements. With appropriate promotion strategies, users have the potential to earn up